Hello friends, I am Vaishnavi Patil, and from today onwards we are going to start with the series in which I will be doing with the grammar part, then chapters, उसके बाद हम सारे जो writing skill है we would be doing that thing, and do watch the series. You would be getting too much benefit from this videos, and आज का topic है वो हमारा parts of speech है. So let's start. So our topic is parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Whenever we talk with anyone, we frame one sentence over there, right? Whenever we frame any kind of sentence, we know if we are talking about I'm dancing, this dancing word is dancing, okay, this is dancing, fine. But other than that, उसको कुछ नाम रहता है, जैसे मेरा नाम वैष्णवी है, so I'm Vaishnavi, right? Just for dancing, it's a verb. So grammatically, we say it as a verb. Okay, so in between, so we are going to do types, like there are 8 types. Which all are they? So we'll be doing that. First type is noun. First is noun. And what is noun? Out of 8, your first is noun. From childhood itself we know what is noun. The name of any person, place, thing or object, etc. The name of these things is known as noun. Like example, what we will say? Like example, girl's name, like she is Shivani. Shivani is the name. Place name, if Eiffel Tower is the name again. So this word or these names are known as noun. Like example, if you are talking about any garden name, okay, so garden is proper, it's a noun, but again name of that garden is a proper noun. So name would be what? Name like Friendship Garden. So this Friendship Garden is the name, right? So this is known as noun. So we'll write the definition. What is noun? The name of any person, place, thing or object is known as noun. Easy? किसी भी व्यक्ति, प्राणी, वस्तु, किसी भी चीज़ के नाम को हम नाम कहते हैं. आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग इन बोथ द लैंग्वेज, हिंदी एज वेल एज इंग्लिश. आई एम सो सॉरी, हिंदी एज वेल एज इंग्लिश. So that would be more beneficial for you all guys. Okay, so examples of noun are name, like Shivani is the name. Name of any garden, like Friendship Garden. Like many names, like Rohan. Building's name, like Silicon, etc. So this is known as noun. Clear? Now next is what? Next type is pronoun. So what is pronoun? Pronoun is something which is used in the place of noun. The words which are used in the place of noun are known as pronoun. अब हिंदी में कैसे हम लोग इसको डिस्क्राइब करेंगे? किसी भी नाउन के किसी भी नाम के जगह पर इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग अदर वर्ड्स अदर देन लाइक ही, शी, दैट इज़ नोन एज pronoun. Okay, and in Hindi it is known as sarvanaam. So we'll write the definition. So pronoun is words used in place of noun are known as pronoun. Easy. इसको हम लोग हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? सर्वनाम. So sorry over here. It is sarvanaam. Easy. Okay, examples. We are very thorough with the example, right? These topics are very easy. Daily life में हम इसका use करते हैं. Okay, जैसे instead of using name all the time, हर एक बार नाम बुलाने से अच्छा we call as he, she. Okay, so examples are he, she, they, ठीक है, वी एक्सेट्रा. सो दिस आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ प्रोनाउन. इजी. अब इसके बाद क्या है? The third type would be verb. Okay, now what is verb? Your third type is verb. अब ये verb क्या होता है? मैम मुझे बहुत कन्फ्यूजन होता है verb और adverb में. Don't at all get confused. I am here to solve your doubt. See, what is verb? Verb बहुत अच्छे से एक word याद रखना. Whenever somebody is asking what is verb, एक चीज़ याद रखना, action word. That's it. So whenever somebody is asking, man what is verb? So easily say it is an action word. मतलब क्या? मैं नाच रही हूँ. This नाचना, this dancing is what? This is your action. Okay. If sentence is having some action, that action is known as your verb. Clear? I'm dancing. Dancing is what? Dancing is your verb. Clear? So action word of any sentence is known as verb. Clear? I am giving very easy definition for all the parts of speech. So verb is action word, or also you can say main action. Main action of a sentence is what is your verb. Easy. अब example क्या लिख सकते हैं हम इसका? Examples are dancing, singing, writing. Writing, I'm doing action, that I'm writing. Writing is my verb. Next, painting, etc. Okay, how many types we have completed? We have completed 3 types. We have completed with 3 types. First was your noun, second is your pronoun, third is your verb. Now let's move forward. Fourth is your adverb. Fourth type is your adverb. Now what is adverb? Adverb क्या होता है? Verb तो पता चल गया. मैम इस word में verb भी है and something is like ed is also there. So combinedly it is known as adverb. But what is that? Many people get confused between verb and adverb. Okay, so don't get confused. Verb means main action word. Clear? Now what is adverb? Adding something to verb means adding something to action. Okay, which gives more information about verb. That is your adverb. ठीक है? Which gives more information about verb is known as adverb. Easy? Yes, बहुत easy. Okay, see, most probably these adverbs end with ly. जब ये जो होते हैं words adverb के, ये most probably, not all the time. Okay, most probably these words end with ly. Okay, so we'll be writing examples like easily, then lovely, then smoothly. See, these words are like we are ending it with ly. Okay, etc. So we have completed with how many types? 4 types. First was your noun. Second, why I'm repeating this again and again, the reason behind that is many people, they think, they count that noun, pronoun, adjective. Somebody is asking you how many parts of speech are there. Instead of counting, you should be very thorough. This is the main basic part of your grammar, right? So we should be thorough with, there are 8 parts, and why I'm repeating then and then, the reason behind that is you should, if somebody is asking you, you should be easily answering them, which all 8 parts are there. Okay, now let's move to 5th part. Now what is your 5th part? क्या हो सकता है? So it can be adjective. What is adjective? मैम ये सारे ए वी वी वाले वर्ड बहुत ही कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं. लाइक वर्ब इज देयर, एडवर्ब इज देयर, एडजेक्टिव इज देयर. डोंट वरी, आई एम कंपेयरिंग इट विद द सेम थिंग विद हिंदी ऑल्सो. ओके, एडवर्ब मीन्स विशेषण भी कहते हैं उसे. ओके, विच गिव्स मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट नाउन और प्रोनाउन. ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज एडवर्ब? एडवर्ब वो चीज़ें होती है, वो थिंग होती है दैट गिव्स मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट नाउन. नाउन क्या था? नेम, नेम ऑफ एनी पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग. ओके. प्रोनाउन क्या था? वर्ड. इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग नाउन इज नोन एज प्रोनाउन. सो एडजेक्टिव वो होता है विच गिव्स मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट नाउन और pronoun. Exactly. So that is what? That is your adjective. Okay. Which gives more information about noun or pronoun is known as adjective. Okay, is known as adjective. In Hindi we call it as visheshan. Okay. Example like you can say I'm beautiful. So beautiful is what? Adjective. Okay. Then Rohan is strong boy. This strong is what? Quality of whom? Rohan, which gives more information about whom? Noun. Okay, which gives more information about noun or pronoun. Easy. So यहाँ पर strong क्या हुआ? That is your adjective. Okay. See, example is very important. Reason behind that is example अच्छे से समझने के लिए बहुत मदद करता है. So be thorough with the examples also. Beautiful, strong, what will else? Few. Like we can also say the numbers like 2. Okay, I have 2 brothers. So 2 is what? Your adjective again, which gives more information about noun or pronoun. Whether it would be appreciation, anything. Clear? इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा है नाउन और प्रोनाउन के बारे में, बस वो क्या है? तुम्हारा एडजेक्टिव है. क्लियर? डन. एक्सेट्रा. कितना टाइप हो गया भाई? वी हैव कंप्लीटेड विद द 5 टाइप्स. नाउ व्हाट वुड बी द नेक्स्ट वन? नाउन हो गया, प्रोनाउन हो गया, वर्ब हो गया, एडवर्ब हो गया, एडजेक्टिव हो गया. नाउ 6th इज योर कंजंक्शन. ठीक है. दिस वर्ड साउंड्स वेरी हार्ड, राइट? कंजंक्शन ऐसे सुन लिया तो लगता है ओ बाप रे, दिस इज़ वेरी हार्ड, बट इट्स नॉट एट ऑल लाइक दैट. कंजंक्शन इज सबसे ईजी थिंग. कंजंक्शन आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज़ दैट एक्चुअली. ठीक है. मेरा बस इतना सुन लेना कंजंक्शन के, पूरा लाइफ टाइम यू विल नॉट फॉरगेट अबाउट दैट. Sixth was your apologize for my handwriting, friends. Okay. So this 6th type is your conjunction. What is conjunction? I didn't explain you. So conjunction means when 2 sentences are formed, the word which is there between 2 sentences, 2 sentences के बीच में जो words रहता है, that is your conjunction. Okay, the word which join 2 sentences are known as conjunction. Means what? Seema is beautiful but she is arrogant. ये but जो है, ये but is your conjunction. Okay, when 2 sentences are joined by one word, that word is known as conjunction. Clear? बहुत easily, बहुत अच्छे से समझ गया. मैं एक और example दे सकती हूँ. So one more example we'll take. Okay, so like Seema is hard-working girl, but she lag in her studies. Okay, she is hard-working, but she lag in her studies. होता है कभी, कोई स्टूडेंट्स रहती है वैसे, हार्ड वर्क तो कर रही है बट एट द सेम टाइम समटाइम डोंकी वर्क भी हो जाता है. ठीक है. So hard working, but she is lagging somewhere. So but this plays a role of a conjunction. Clear? Let's write the definition. Conjunction, the word The word which join two sentences are known as conjunction. See, conjunction is again a big chapter. In this chapter there are two subtypes here, but we'll do further, we'll complete that also, don't worry about that. But till the time you understand what is conjunction, okay? Done. Now example, we'll write the examples. Okay, what all are the example we did? We took the two examples, like but is the example for conjunction, okay? But, then, where, and, or, which, और क्या हो सकता है, what else, etc. many other. Okay, now this was your 6th type. अब तो बस 2 ही बाकी है. Now let's revise one more time. कौन से थे भाई? First was your noun, second was your pronoun, third was your verb, fourth was your adverb, fifth adjective, sixth conjunction. अब 7th क्या होगा? 7th is your interjection. Okay, move. Now 7th is your interjection. Now 7th is your interjection. See, whenever I am saying interjection, don't forget about a punctuation which is used for this part. That is exclamatory mark. Okay, this mark is very, very important. See, if any question is coming and you are not getting what part or what type it is, you can understand interjection. If there is any this kind of sign in the question, then that is the answer. Clear? Then what is the answer? Well, answer should be interjection. Clear? Now इसमें क्या क्या होता है? What is interjection? मैम बड़ा hard नाम लग रहा है, but I don't know what is it. See, don't get confused between interjection and interrogation. Interrogation is completely different part and interjection is completely different part. Okay? Interjection में क्या होता है? What is there? जैसे कि sudden expression or emotion, just like wow, hooray, ठीक है, या फिर alas, और ऐसे बोलते हैं oh my gosh. So these are the sudden emotions. Okay, this all are the examples of what? Examples of interjection. Clear? जैसे कि मैं बोलूँ wow, that is beautiful साड़ी, ठीक है. What else we can say? Oh my gosh, that I heard was something really bad, ठीक है. So ये जो sudden action और sudden emotion जो express होते हैं, that is your interjection. Okay, I'll give a scientific definition for that. Interjection express a strong feeling or emotions. Okay, interjection expresses strong feeling or emotion. Clear? That is known as interjection. Clear? Example लिख लेते हैं थोड़े. Examples are alas. Don't forget about the sign. बहुत important है. Clear? Then wow. That is great. Okay, these are the examples. फिर क्या हो सकता है? Hooray. Hooray, I got very good marks. ठीक है? ये सारे क्या है? ये सारे these are the examples of what? These are the examples of interjection. Clear? अब कौन सा? अब एक ही बाकी है, फिर तो हो गया parts of speech. So what is the eighth type? Eighth type is your preposition. We'll take one more sheet. Wait. Okay. So yeah, eighth and last type is your preposition. Preposition क्या होता है? So preposition is something which shows position. Preposition is what? Preposition is something which shows the position. जैसे on, above, in, after, before. ये क्या बता रहे हैं? These are showing the position. Okay. So इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? इसको हम लोग बोलेंगे preposition. So what is preposition? Okay, preposition is something which shows the position of anything Okay, that is known as your this term. Okay, ये बड़ा हार्ड डेफिनेशन दिया जाता है ग्रामर बुक में, बट डोंट बॉदर, ठीक है, ज़्यादा लोड मत लेना. वेरी इजी डेफिनेशन इज जो पोजीशन बताता है. ओके, क्लियर, दैट्स इट. Examples of preposition are above, below. ये position बता रहे हैं. These words are showing what? These words are showing preposition. Okay, position बता रहे हैं, not preposition, position. That term is known as preposition. Above, below, after, behind, in, on, and so on, etc. Clear? And here we complete with all our 8 parts. Okay, so we would revise one more time. First was your noun, second क्या था? Second was your pronoun, third was your verb, fourth was your adverb, fifth was your adjective, sixth conjunction, good, seventh was your seventh was the interjection, and eighth was your last preposition. Clear? So guys, we have completed with all our 8 parts. I hope that you might have understood each and every type of these parts of speech. Okay, and this series we are going to continue, so don't worry about that. Each and every topic I am going to take in this class, and further I think I'll be taking article, so be ready for that topic. Okay, thank you, stay tuned till time.